Restoring classic cars has become a popular hobby for car enthusiasts around the world. The process of bringing a classic back to life requires a significant investment of time and money, but the end result is a beautiful and unique car that can be enjoyed for years to come. It's no secret that choosing a classic car to restore can be a tough decision, with so many amazing options to choose from. But fear not. We've done the hard work for you and compiled a list of the top 4 most popular classic cars to bring back to their former glory. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're a classic car enthusiast and love Chevrolet vehicles from the 1950s, the 1955 to 1957 Bel Air 150 and 210 are great options for a restoration project. The Bel Air was the top-of-the-line model. With its changed body design, chrome accents, and impressive performance. It was a popular choice for those seeking a luxurious and sporty car. The 150 was a more basic model aimed at budget-conscious consumers, while the 210 offered a balance of style and affordability. No matter which model you choose, you'll benefit from the large following of Bel Air enthusiasts and the abundance of available parts. You'll have no trouble sourcing the components you need for your restoration. So if you're ready for a challenge and a chance to bring a classic back to life, a 55 Chevy might just be the project you're looking for. Next on our list is the well-known Ford Mustang 1. The 1964 to 1968 Ford Mustang is one of the most popular classic cars to restore. This legendary muscle car was born from the desire to add some thrill to the already successful compact class Falcon. And with over 1 million Mustangs built in just a decade, it's no wonder that the Mustang remains a favorite among classic car fans. You may have seen the Mustang's iconic design in classic films like James Bond Goldfinger or Bullitt starring Steve McQueen. And with the availability of reproduction parts, bringing a classic Mustang back to life is easier than ever. From exact replicas of classic sheet metal to factory-spec interiors and hardware, you'll be able to find everything you need online. So why not take on the challenge of restoring a classic Ford Mustang today? Adding to our lineup of classic cars worthy of restoration is the iconic Chevrolet Camaro from the years 1967 to 1969. This classic muscle car was built to compete with the Ford Mustang and quickly made a name for itself. Reviving the beauty of a 1967 to 1969 Camaro is no easy task, but with a wide range of reproduction parts available, it's definitely achievable. From body panels to performance upgrades, you'll be able to find everything you need to bring this classic back to life. Whether you're looking to show off your restoration skills or simply enjoy the thrill of driving a vintage muscle car, the Chevrolet Camaro is a top choice that won't disappoint. And finally, the last car on our list. The 1968 to 1970 Dodge Charger combines beauty and brawn, which is why so many enthusiasts consider this to be one of the best muscle cars of all time. For decades to come, the outstanding design of the Charger will keep this model one of the most popular classic cars to restore. You can obtain any mechanical part, and the list of reproduction body panels is growing every day. Rust can be a problem, as with any car from this era, but patch panels are widely available. The amount of money and time that goes into your car restoration project depends on what condition you find the car in. But if you have the time and skill, you can restore a Charger even in poor initial condition to its former glory. Lastly, we hope this list of classic cars to restore has been helpful and has sparked your interest in restoring these beauties. Happy restoring! If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel.